The new news. Welcome to the new news. Today we explore the world of artificial intelligence. Have you ever talked to your phone? Maybe you asked it to play your favorite song. That's AI in action. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's like giving brains to machines. How about self-driving cars? They use AI to navigate roads. They can even avoid obstacles. That's super smart. Robots use AI too. They can build things in factories. Some robots can even clean your house. And don't forget about recommendations. AI helps you find new movies and shows. It knows what you like. How cool is that? We'll show you how AI can be leveraged to create businesses and opportunities for content creators, YouTubers, software developers, students, researchers, data analysts, healthcare providers, and teachers. This video is designed to teach you how to become successful investors in AI. So sit back, learn, and get ready to unlock the future with AI. AI is short for artificial intelligence. It's a big word, but it means something simple. AI is when machines think like humans. They learn, solve problems, and make decisions. Imagine a computer playing chess. A really good chess player. That computer is using AI. It learns from past games, it plans its moves carefully. AI is changing the world, it helps us in so many ways. And the best part is, AI is only getting smarter. Let's talk about facial recognition. Have you ever unlocked your phone with your face? That's AI. The phone's camera sees your face. It compares it to a picture it has stored. If they match, you're in. AI learns from data. Data is information. It could be pictures, videos, or text. AI uses data to understand the world. Think about chatbots. Have you ever talked to one online? They answer your questions, they help you find things. Chatbots use AI to understand what you're saying. They learn from every conversation. AI is constantly learning. It's getting better every day. Pretty amazing, right? AI is a superhero in disguise. It's saving lives every day, especially in healthcare. Doctors use AI to diagnose diseases. It helps them find problems faster. AI can even predict health issues. It uses your medical history to warn you. This helps doctors treat you before you get sick. Robots with AI are assisting surgeons. They can perform delicate operations. This means smaller incisions and faster healing times. AI is making healthcare better for everyone. It's helping us live longer, healthier lives. Section 5 AI means business. AI is a whiz at business. It helps companies work smarter and faster. AI can analyze huge amounts of data. This helps businesses make better decisions. AI can automate tasks. It can answer emails, schedule meetings, and even write reports. This frees up humans to do more creative work. AI can personalize customer experiences. It recommends products and services based on your preferences. This makes customers happy and loyal. AI is a game changer for businesses of all sizes. It's helping them grow and succeed in today's competitive world. Section 6 AI wants to entertain you. Get ready to be entertained. AI is changing the game in movies, music, and video games. AI is used to create special effects in movies. It makes explosions more realistic and creatures come to life. AI can compose music in different styles. It can even write lyrics. Some musicians use AI to create new sounds and explore their creativity. Video games are using AI to create smarter opponents. They learn from your moves and challenge you in new ways. This makes games more fun and engaging. AI is making entertainment more immersive and exciting. Get ready for a whole new world of possibilities. Section 7. AI can make you money. Want to learn how to make money with AI? It's easier than you think. You can develop AI apps that solve problems. People will pay for apps that make their lives easier. You can freelance with AI tools. Use AI to write better content, create stunning graphics, or build websites faster. You can even start your own AI business. Offer AI solutions to companies, help them automate tasks, improve customer service, or analyze data. The possibilities are endless with AI. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring and see how you can turn your AI skills into profit. Section 8. AI success stories, from zero to hero. Let's meet some AI superstars. These people started with an idea. They used AI to turn their dreams into reality. One entrepreneur developed an app that helps farmers. This app uses AI to analyze weather patterns and soil conditions. Farmers can optimize their crops and increase their yield. A group of students created an AI-powered chatbot. This chatbot helps people learn new languages. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. These are just a few examples of how AI is empowering people. It's giving them the tools to create positive change in the world. Section 9. The future is AI. AI is not just a technology, it's a tool that can help us build a better future. Imagine a world without traffic accidents thanks to self-driving cars. Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed and treated early, thanks to AI-powered healthcare. Imagine a world where everyone has access to quality education and personalized learning, thanks to AI tutors. The future with AI is bright. It's up to us to use this technology responsibly and ethically. Let's work together to create a future where AI benefits everyone.